Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You're going to begin by adding and configuring a payment card for transit. First, open Wallet and tap the plus button. Follow the prompts to add a debit or credit card, then verify with your bank if needed. Once done, make sure you set that card as Express Transit so you can tap without Face ID or unlocking. Also keep your iPhone or Apple Watch charged. A low battery can block Express Transit, so carry a backup or enable power reserve if available. Now learn the exact tap motion and timing. Walk up to the yellow Omni reader at the turnstile. You can wake your device, but you shouldn't need to unlock when Express Transit is active. Hold the top of your iPhone or the Apple Watch display within a few inches of the reader until you feel a vibration and see a green check mark. Once confirmed, push through promptly. Lingering can confuse the gate. If the turnstile doesn't accept the tap, try a slightly different angle or reposition your. To finish, check Wallet for the transaction so you confirm payment and the correct card was charged. This helps track rides. If your tap fails at the gate, don't panic. Show the staff your device's recent wallet activity and have a backup payment ready. For troubleshooting, try quick fixes first. Toggle airplane mode, restart the device, remove magnetic cases, or re-add the card in Wallet. If all else fails, buy a paper or refillable Metro card and report the issue to your card issuer afterward.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.